Well, guys, it's been actually 14 and a half days in the incubator. So we're pulling out the eggs from the egg turner. And this is what they're going into what is called the lockdown. So they should start hatching within the next 2 to 3 days. All the way up to 5. What we're going to do now is add some more water to the bottom of this to get the humidity up. And then we just leave them alone for the next 3 to 5 days. Now that that's done, we put the top back on and they sit until they start hatching. Okay guys, the first couple quail starting to hatch here. There's another one in that back corner there. Oh, another one's peeling itself out. As you've seen from some of the prior clips there, the quail are starting to hatch. They're actually starting to hatch a day early. We've only been in the incubator, I think, 16 days. And I thought it was the 17th day they start hatching out. But I don't know how old the eggs were and all that, because I ordered them from a place in Wisconsin. And they were actually shipped from Arizona, so I think they took about 4 days to get here, so they could have been a little bit older eggs or something. Not quite sure. But today, Bruce is supposed to stop over and give me a hand cutting while I'm up on the roof finishing off these 2 dormers. I got the soffits in this first one, but I need to put the soffit in the second one. But in order to do that, I got to lay the ladder out on the roof. The shingles are sealed down pretty good. And like a fool, I took out the roof jacks for some reason. I don't want to break the seal on the shingles in order to put another set of jacks in. So I'm just going to lay the ladder against the roof. Call it good at that.
Alright, these are all the ones, there's 6 of them here that were, 7 of them, that were all chewed up by that machine, but
yeah,
I'll leave them down here.
Yeah, just don't bump the ladder, because
Nope, I'm not going on a ladder.
I'm a little bit,
You're not on it too good.
the hillside really drops off there.
Boy, the trees are changing quick out here. Okay guys, got the rest of the soffit in on this last dormer. Now we're getting some siding and battens on these sides. And get these done. I'll jump over and do these faces with cedar. So stay tuned. At long last, the rear dormers are finally finished. Got all the siding on this morning. I didn't videotape any of it because I figured you all seen me do that on the front, so didn't need to beat a horse to death. Yeah, so we got all the siding on, soffits in. Now all I have to do is run some wiring for these porches so I can start soffitting them out. I'll be announcing the winner of that Sunglife fan here shortly. You can see behind me the deer in the background. The 2 fawns are here playing around. They pretty much lost their spots now, so that's kind of nice to see. Only thing I didn't really get much accomplished down here at the cabin yet, but did get those dormers finished off, which is really nice. No more real ladder work until I put the chimney in now for the cook stove. But today I'm going to run up to a job site that I'm going to start here soon. They don't have the slab for the house in yet, but I'm going to go take a peek at it anyhow. I'll probably film this one if you guys are interested, and probably do it like on a Wednesday video, and save my cabin videos for weekends. Anyhow, guys, I'm going to run that random comment picker once again for picking the winner of this Sunglife fan. And then the winner is going to need to email me once again with their address. Okay, guys, as you've seen from the random comment picker, Sinbad S won the Sunglife fan. So what he needs to do is get a hold of me by email, and that's in the About section of my channel, or Wandering Wiley 1967 at gmail.com. He needs to get a hold of me with his mailing address so I can forward it to the company and they will ship him a fan. But until the next one, we see everybody later. And I am going to head up and take a peek at my next job. Okay, guys, I'm up here near Virginia, Minnesota, just checking out the site. See, they got the pad down for the concrete slab. We'll take a peek at the lake down here. Ooh, nice sandy beach. Boy, some color change already up here. Well, guys, it's a nice little site back here anyhow. Should be a pretty fun build. Like I said, they got the pad down already for the slab. They're just waiting on the concrete people to form it up so they can get whatever plumbing they need to do in the ground. I believe this is their daughter's lot here. But yeah, some nice red pine on the place. Birch. Well, like I said, I didn't get much done for any real video this week, so just a little insight into the life sometimes, I guess. Anyhow, I hope everybody has a great week, and we will probably see you next week.